Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious crab apple jelly. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need about 2.5 pounds of ripe crab apples, 4 cups of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Make sure you have a large, heavy-bottomed pot and sterilized jelly jars prepared. This simple recipe yields approximately 4 to 5 8-ounce jars of beautiful, clear jelly, perfect for gifting or enjoying yourself. Now, let's prepare those lovely crab apples. Begin by washing them very well under cold, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Next, carefully remove any lingering stems or leaves. There's no need to core or peel them, as the pectin is concentrated in the skin and seeds. Simply cut each crab apple into quarters and place them directly into your large, heavy-bottomed pot. This step is crucial for extracting maximum flavor and pectin. With your crab apples in the pot, add 4 cups of water. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for about 20 minutes, or until the apples are very soft. Use a potato masher to gently crush the cooked apples, releasing even more juice. For crystal clear jelly, pour the entire mixture into a jelly bag and let it drip overnight, or for at least 8 hours, without squeezing. Finally, let's turn that beautiful juice into jelly. Measure exactly 4 cups of your strained crab apple juice into a clean pot. Add the 4 cups of granulated sugar and the 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Bring this mixture to a rapid, rolling boil, stirring constantly until the sugar dissolves. Continue boiling until it reaches the jelly setting point, typically 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Ladle the hot jelly into sterilized jars, leaving 1/4 inch headspace, and seal them immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.